Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ekbas car vacuum, high power suction, 18,000 PA, 3-in-1 blower brushless motor, wireless handheld vacuum cleaner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: brushless motor and high suction power. Car vacuum adopting brushless motor technology, powerful suction up to 18,000 PA instantly removes all dust and dirt in the car. Real brushless motor optimizes structure, lifespan of up to 8 years, efficiency improved by 3 times, and power consumption only 1/3 of traditional motors. From a long-term use cost perspective, this is truly a value for money choice. Say no to frequent replacement, choose a quality dust collector that saves your time and energy. Professional car cleaning kit. Car vacuum comes with multiple professional attachments for different needs: an air vent brush, a long crevice tool for deep cleaning, a wide mouth tool for mats, a rear blowing nozzle to remove dust, pet hair, etc. Additional HEPA filter ensures purified air. 2 detangling brushes quickly remove hair from the filter. Whether daily cleaning or on outdoor trips, it meets all your cleaning requirements. Portable and compact. Compact handheld size can be stored in a car compartment for instant access without tedious retrieval from the trunk. The perfect companion to tackle any drills like bread crumbs and pet hair instantly. No worry about attracting bugs. 0.7 pound weight, friendly to people with tendinitis. This small yet powerful dust collector makes your car fresh again. Convenient. Wireless vacuum supports car charger and power bank charging, 3 to 4 hours charging, supports 25 minutes long runtime. Standby time up to 3 months, never miss any cleaning opportunity. Cordless design offers greater flexibility in cleaning the interior and exterior. And the next highlight features that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is, car owner must have. Car vacuum high suction power comes with an exquisite hard storage bag for tidy storage and a premium feel. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.